Hello friends, welcome to the Techie Pinto channel. Today we will talk about how to write more cleaner and efficient code by replacing long chain of if-else conditions with simple Python dictionary. So if you have ever written a long chain of if-else statements, you know how hard it could be to read and debug. So with simple dictionary trick, we can remove all that hassle and write more readable and precise code. So let's dive right into it. So this is the code for one of the phone branding system. So let's say you are creating a phone brand system where based on the brand you are returning the price. So as you see, I have written the phone brand, and if phone brand matches, we are returning the price. These are the if else conditions. Okay, let's run this code. Now if I enter the brand Apple, see, I'm getting the price of Apple is 80. Now this code works fine and there is no problem. But what if I have to add 100 more categories? If I have to add 100 more categories, so it will be like this. And now you see the problem is, if I have to add 100 more categories, it will look very messy code and it is not readable at all. So what can we do? Dictionary is here to save the day. The same code I have written but using dictionary. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating one Python prices dictionary where and as you know, the dictionary allows us to store key and their value as in pair. So we are defining key as the phone brand and value as their price. So for Apple 80, Vivo 90 and etc. Now if you run this code, and this time let's say LG. So price of LG is 120. Now this code also runs fine, but you see it is much more readable than this one. Now you might say, what if we have to add more brands? So we can do here as well. And see, it looks really clean because all you have to do is just add the key as a phone brand and price as a value, and that's it. And if you see the side by side comparison, and you let me know which one looks more cleaner and easy to debug. So if we have hundreds of brands, it will be very hard to debug, but here all we have to do is just check the key and their values and we get the result. I hope this will help you in your project. Thank you very much. Let me know your thoughts on the comments, and if you have the similar tricks, let me know in the comments as well. Thank you. Bye.